Hi everyone, I just woke up. Before I go to work, I actually want to do a quick unboxing video. So yesterday, Carslan, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but in Chinese it's Carslan, announced their new spoken people, which are Lucas, Kun, and YangYang. And I placed the order of the lipstick Lucas chose. It's called Fighter or Warrior in Chinese. So one thing about China is the delivery is super fast. So it was announced yesterday and I placed the order, and this morning this package is here. Sorry that my voice doesn't sound very clear right now because like I said, I just woke up. I'm still very sleepy. And I wasn't expecting this package to arrive in the morning. So they were having a special event for this purchase. You can get a 10 Chinese yuan off when you are buying for more than 129 or 100 and yeah. And also there's few mini samples of other lipsticks lines. So here it is. So you can scan this QR code and then get the
free money. What did I just say? So you can get some extra deduction of the price maybe, but it's normally useless. I'm telling you.
I believe this is the actual one I got, the Fighter. It's a matte lipstick, and these are the 2 freebies they threw in. So this is the velvety finish. It's their color 10. So let me open this up. Here it goes. This is a nice color. Can you see that? I'm gonna do a swatch on my hand. Okay, just here. This is super nice. It's very creamy, and it's actually a little sheer. It's not as pigmented as I expected. This is really nice. I might actually use this one. This brand has been around for a couple of years, not just a couple of years, maybe 10 years, 20 years. When I was a student, one of my first makeup products were from this brand, but I haven't been buying any makeup from this brand for so many years. So let's open up the other ones. What's this one? So this is one, this is the same color, but this is a lip balm, I believe. It says it's a lip balm sample. Let me push this out. Oh, this is a little difficult. Okay, get this out. Here it is. This is so cute. Oh my god. It's a baby lipstick. It is so cute. Look how small this is. This is so cute. This is like sit right in the center of my palm. So cute. So this is the same color with the lipstick, but it's called a lip balm based on the packaging. I think it's the same color. This one's actually more pigmented. What? It's slightly more pigmented. Huh. That's weird. Wait, is this one called a lip balm as well? It's a lipstick. Yeah. Oh yeah, in Chinese it's called a lip balm. That's weird. So in English, they're saying it's a lipstick. In Chinese, it's called a lip balm. And the sample is the same thing. It's the same product, same color. but it's a mini one. It's a sample one. This is weird. So the last one, why is this one in the pocket? I don't know. This one is a freebie as well. It's a water-kissed lipstick. They gotta fix their translation because it's called a lipstick in English, but in Chinese it's all lip balm. Push it out from the other side. Okay, here it goes. Oh, look how pretty this is. This is so cute. I'm normally not a big fan of these packagings, but these are actually very cute. Even though I like it to be sleek, still this is cute. Oh, here it is. Is there a color of it? So it's their color number 11. It's called 小辣椒. What's 辣椒 in English? 辣椒 is pepper. 小 is little pepper. Okay. Let's see the color. So this one's more sheer. This one looks warmer than these two. And among these three, the 小辣椒 one, little pepper one, is the most sheer one. So here they are. I'm super excited for Lucas and Kun and YangYang, and I hope they do a great job helping this brand to grow. And yeah, I just got dressed and I need to go to work now. I'll see you guys next time.